Hello everyone, in this video we will see classification, general characteristics and economic uses of pteridophytes coming under plant kingdom. If you look around, you may be able to see these type of plant in your garden or sometimes on tree trunks or on compound wall. They belong to group Pteridophytes. Pteridophytes are very old group of land plants. According to the fossil records, they had been on earth for at least 360 million years. They covered many parts of earth during the time of dinosaur and continue to flourish even today. Pteridophytes range greatly in size. They range from tiny azolla plant, you can see here azolla plant, to huge tree ferns which reaches up to height of 25 meters. Like bryophytes, the pteridophytes also require water for fertilization to occur during sexual reproduction. The sperms produced in male sex organs called antheridia, you can see here in this image, swim through the water to reach the egg cell in the archegonia. As they require water for fertilization, they are seen in moist, shady, cool and humid conditions, mostly in tropical regions, but some members of pteridophytes are also seen in temperate region. You may be remembering that the main plant body in bryophytes is haploid and gametophyte, which produces gametes. But in the case of pteridophytes, the main plant body is diploid and sporophyte, which produces spores. In other words, diploid sporophytic phase is the dominant in the life cycle of pteridophytes. Actually, during the course of evolution in plants, the diploid sporophytic phase became dominant, whereas the haploid gametophytic phase got reduced. In this picture, you can see that in lower plant groups such as an algae and bryophytes, the haploid gametophyte is the main plant body. You can see here in this image. While in pteridophytes and in higher plant groups like gymnosperms and angiosperms, you can see here, the main plant body is diploid and sporophyte. In bryophytes, the sporophyte is attached and nutritionally dependent on gametophyte. But in pteridophytes, the gametophyte is reduced to small structure called prothallus. As per, the young sporophyte remains attached to the gametophyte, but the sporophyte grows rapidly and soon develops into an independent plant while gametophyte dies off. You can see here in the image. Pteridophytes has well developed true roots, stems and leaves, which means that they have vascular tissues called xylem and phloem. Xylem is specialized, you can see here, xylem and phloem. Xylem is specialized for transporting water and nutrients from roots to other plants, while phloem is specialized transporting food, or in other words carbohydrates produced through photosynthesis from leaves to the growing as well as the storage tissues of the plant body. Vascular system was an important movement in the evolution of the life on earth. Because of the vascular system, the water and food can be transported over more distances in the plant body, allowing plants to increase in size and more successfully invade plant. Pteridophytes are called vascular plants because of the presence of the vascular tissues. The plants belonging to gymnosperms and angiosperms are also vascular plants. But obviously, pteridophytes are the first vascular plants. As you already know, the groups of algae and bryophytes don't have vascular tissues. So, they are called non-vascular plants. Pteridophytes belong to 4 classes. They are Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida and Pteropsida. So for today, this much is enough, and tomorrow we will continue with the first class. Thank you.